Hi guys, welcome back to Highly Play Piku. Today, I'm going to play Don't Press the Button 4 in Roblox, and I changed my avatar and my name. It is now called Highly the Best. Yeah, this. And if you don't know my username is Momo123, and my display name is Kylie the Best. Well, right now, I'm just gonna go play this game with my sister. Yeah. No, the most of tiles. Okay. I'm green, so yeah. Green's gonna have the most tiles. I know it. I'm going to win. I'm going to win. Bro, get out. Get out. No. No. Go away. This is my spot. This is my green spot. My spot. Oh my god, you girl. You won't just budge off. Oh my god, bro. I'm painting mine. Girl, if you only focus here, you're just gonna waste all your time. Girl, you're wasting my time. Oh my god, the girl's bunker is already destroyed. Okay, that's my. Oh my god, he's running my bunker. I lost. Because of this girl. The girl did that to me. Okay, what grade are we going to get? School. I'm so glad I know my sheep. No, bro, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
I want me to do that for you.
No.
Because there's a yellow and the girl we took it. Stupid.
Why are you telling me that? I didn't do anything. I'm looking for the orange triangle. Oh, there it is. Girl, get away. Get away. Oh. Wait. Oh, no.
It's there.
Where?
And the bacon always found it.
Okay, where is... Oh, it's here. I finally got him. Yes. Wait, what? Choose a side. Okay. How did I die?
I'm still on.
I just joined.
I'm still enough, people.
Bro.
Oh my god. That really hard.
I'm the best. In my username it says I'm the best. Bro, I love bacon. I have emotes too. Boom. Boom. That's so cool.
Sure, that poor bacon.
I turned my avatar brown because I am a brownish girl. Hurry up, push the ice on 19 or else we will die. Okay.
Push it down.
Yeah, it's kind of impossible. Ow! Yeah, I'm running away.
Nope.
Are you kidding me? Yes, the bank. I'm the first one. Ow! No, I'm first. Kill that, yeah, bro. Yo, come on. You risk your life.
That's what I thought it was cool.
It is a coin, but it's not stupid. Coin is like money. Money is good. Why am I not the button presser? Who is this girl? It looks like a baddie there. Ew. Ew. What is that? Girl. I mean, how do I put this? You ain't cool at all. Bro, why are you so weird? Your avatar, And who is she? Why does she not have another eye? I mean, I know what fashion is, but people, you don't actually need that.
Okay, I got to win this.
Where is it coming from? Oh, it's here. Okay, I need to win this too. What? Oh my god, some people are dying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stay in one spot? How are you supposed to win then? Huh? What is this? You can't stay in one spot for that. What do you mean stop? What did I do to you, Sleep Roblox? Oh my god.
Why the so?
Bro, I'm making a video. You can't say that. Are you kidding me right now, bro? Oh, you know I love that song. Big guy, big guy, big guy. Oh no, my big head is covering up everything. What the? What is that? What is that monster? That is not even. No, I need a string for this. And my big head is covering out everything. It was tiny. I was winning. Don't you tell me. Don't tell me they're gonna get me through this wall. Don't tell me. Oh my god. Why are they making us just go through these stuff? Whoa, the girl's out of there. Where are we? Bro, oh my god, I thought I was gonna lose. I'm going.
I can tell somebody.
I thought I was gonna lose. I don't like my big head. Ugh. Bruh. What? This girl lost, so she doesn't even have a big head anymore. Haha. Come on, give me that ball here. Give me the ball. Give me that ball. No. No, we only have 20 minutes and seconds. No! Come on, you guys. You ain't that good. Please, please, just score it. No, not here, not here, not here, not here. Ah. Boom. Okay, no one's gonna win. Now we all lost. No, it's cool. Okay. I need the money. Girl, why are you selling my money? Beats the top. What? Okay. Wait, where am I supposed to go now? Where am I supposed to go? Oh, here. Wait, they jump here. I'm supposed to go here. And if they jump here, I have to go here. Then is it not hard? It's like easier. Usually on this one, I live that far. Yes, I'm up here. Bruh. Okay. I don't even need to wash out. Oh no, the girl cooked. The girl's cooked. Why would you jump there, girl? Well, I'm stuck up here now. What else? Automatic Spooky has a phone. Automatic Spooky, look, I'm up here now. I'm up here. Because for the cloud one. Oh, now I fell down. Wait. Okay. My big head is covering up everything. Oh my god. Now I'm a loser because I don't even have a big head anymore. No, with the big head, it means that I survived every single round. It means I never died. But without the big head, I mean I died and I lost it. So it's okay to be. It's okay to be a noob. No, it's not. Oh, bro, that is not fair. I was on Tamaloo. This is Tamaloo. Come on, I have to go. Go, 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 go. Huh? I'm remaining. What is boom. Bam, bop, bada bing, boom. Pow. Avoid the cube. Okay, that's easy. How? Why are these people both a frog? Marley and Llama. Bro, what names are those? Girl, why did you die?
How do you do that?
Hello, Al. Man, just go to emotes.
How do you get that?
You have to do your character. If you don't do your character, you can't do it. You have to choose your emote for your character.
No, bunny.
I'm a rabbit. I don't care. It's really awesome. Bro, I just like when I'm jumping all the time, but I'm not actually pressing my jump button. Bro, save me. This is life. This is life. I'm gonna lose. Hit. Yes. Huh? Hit. Hit. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please. Please get it. I'm gonna be so offended. Yes! Yay!
No,
I'm doing it. I don't know. What? No! No, that's quick. Wait, yo, chill. Yo, teacher, chill. Yo, Nika, chill. Oh my god. Yes, I win! I'm a winner. The end without dumping. Get to the end. Why would he steal my jump button, huh? Girl really thought she would win, but she just thought. But, okay. Wait, how am I? Oh. How did some gnarly person die? I did not think of that. I did not think of that. Okay, whenever I look down at my screen, just someone said in the comments. I mean, not the comments. Whatever this thing is called. In chat, yeah. Bro, I died here. It's not fair. It's not fair. Bro. Yo, gotta be kidding me. So I'm supposed to get all the balls to my side, okay? People, stop. Stop. I'm an expert. I can do this. Bro, Bro, just put the ball in there. It's not hard. Wait, your name's Rooney? Oh my god. That green bean guy's name Rooney. Okay. Cute name. You watch K-pop Dreams too? Bro, I can't get the ball to the side. What the? Oh my god, they put a little bit of that. No. No, they have so much balls. Come on, Romy. We have to do it together. Are you kidding me? Get on the button. Bro, I didn't do it. Let's call it cookie. What? You just said my favorite food, and you don't even care about your favorite food. You're gonna get diabetes. Candy is too much. Diabetes is a lot more. If you eat too much candy, you'll get diabetes. So you'll be sick. And more sick. And throw up maybe. And then be even more sick. Bro, stop! No! Okay. I can't find any more. Yes, I found something. I found something. No. Fine. You get that one. I get this one. That's number 5. Bro, what? This guy has 6 about 5. Oh my god, it's not fair. What do you mean, old man? You're a loser. Why was I sitting on this guy? Hey, I'm supposed to mine. Okay, still. Okay. Money, it can't be one. I mean, honestly, Roblox. It can't just be one of us. You can find it. Okay, I feel like I can. Oh my god. Girl, get away! What? This girl following me. This girl knows that I'm gonna make it find a diamond. Bro, someone already found it. Too late. Too late. Oh no, I hate this one. I have to look out for everything. I thought it was small when I was playing. Okay. Okay, sleep Roblox. You just have to zoom out your cam, and so you can see all of them. I hate them. Why are you hating me? Oh my god. I'm still angry. We're not getting the magic carpet yet. Why are we stuck? I'm pressing my jump button now. Why am I stuck? Okay. Find a flower. Oh, that's not a wall. Do we look down? Because this person is so insane. It's like, yeah. This ain't wall. This is laser. It's laser. Bro, what is with the intense music? Oh, nah. I used to hate this. Bro, what? Bro, what? I was literally at the top. That didn't count.
What? I was literally at the top. That didn't count.
No, actually, I was at the top, and then it literally just came when I was literally there. Come to look at that hustle. Okay.
He says.
Someone said, you did it. Bro, what's there to celebrate? It just died, and now you're celebrating? Where is House Party, bro? If you own this house, please live somewhere normal.
It's a 77.
Don't go for it. Oh, I died. Okay, that's what I mean. Why are you? I can't. Are you a frog? Oh no, I can't move. I can't move. Okay, continue. Oh wow. Both are blue. What? It's like it's moving. Okay, do I have enough money to buy anything? Wait. Oh, I don't have time to spend. Go to red then, okay?
Well, I'm not.
Why is it going blue?
I'm not wasting my money.
You said you were buying something. I think you can afford it.
I'm not.
You won't have enough money for that.
I need 2 more thousand.
Yes. Oh my god, this is 3 people to survive. Boom, bam, bap, bada bing boom. Pow. Oh no.
I'm very fast to it.
Wow, you're so slowpoke. Okay. Bro, why can't I buy a little lemon? And why can't I jump? Okay. I don't even need to look at my screen right now. I just need to find something. Bro, I can't afford anything. I can't afford anything. Drinks to become big. Drink this to become video in 10 seconds. Okay? Why am I losing?
No.
Nope, I can't afford anything. Wait a second, this girl's literally just looking like my friend. Let's see if anyone's nope. No one hears my connection. What? Who?
We're big.
Finally, I'm bigger than this one. Actually, I like to be small. I like to be cute and small. Because now I'm jump. Oh!
Why the?
We're big already. We don't need to do any of this. I'm a win. The frog just like jumping like frog. Someone said in the comments. I don't even want to have to get that anyways. Someone said bro. Wait, let me pause the video. It's like Roblox. Why did you kill me? Oh my god. You just said not to kill you. Why does this girl have the sword? Girl, leave me alone. Spare me. Get away.
I like.
Mm.
What the flip? Where did you get that?
Someone said AFK. Okay, so the girl's gonna be still. So the girl was angry because she was still for a second.
Nobody cares.
I'm checking what they said. Bro, stop. I need to save money or something. Why can I put it? Jump over the laser. Do I really have to jump? Oh. Help me, help me. Boom. Finally.
Boom. Bing back. Nothing.
Bro, the frog isn't even jumping. I need the money. Jump. Bro, what happened here? Bro, I'm not moving. Don't fall. No one pull out their sniper, okay?
Yeah.
Because they're going to push us all off.
Yes, and
Like something like this. This is the sniper. But that's not.
What you hate. So don't even try to do it.
Girl, just type it, not tell me. Because no girl's doing here. Why is Marley the frog here?
So
Mariana the frog here. And guys, tell me, are you brown in the comments too? What? Holy. Oh wait, which way do I go? 6 players survive. Someone says, dang. Okay. Seems like they're not angry. I don't know. They can still go. Oh no, I did this like a year ago. I mean, I don't remember every single game in this game because I used to play it and I stopped.
Look, we can easily get to the bug. And if somebody accidentally do it, that is perfect. So this is so so easy.
Wait. Okay.
This is so easy. But this looks easy now. Is it easy?
Bro.
Oh no! No. Wait. Wait. Yeah!
I'm just coin. My baby coin.
I love coin.
Okay, where is that confetti? Where is the confetti? I need it. Why?
Oh, stole it!
But I do not care.
This nasty little frog.
Boom. No. Stop. I need to grab one. Sorry, I kind of pulled it off.
I swear, I just need
Boom. I already found one, so I'm not too ready.
At least I have no money.
Bro, do I look like I care? No. 20 please? Okay. Oh, I see one. Give me that. There's about 3. No, 4. Yes, baby. Because last time you didn't even help me. But that was when I wasn't making the video. Yes, I won because I have 4 points. Beats the tour. Okay. Bro. Yo, guys who don't know how to. Oh, bro, I'm gonna crash out now. I'm so mad. After all that hard work, I died? Like, what are people doing? Please, give me a second chance.
No.
Oh, no.
I want to reach to
On the cart? Okay. The other way how to win this is to go to the end. Wait, it's not. Now let me do my emote. So Sleep Roblox, you wanna know how to do the split emote?
No.
It's so easy though. I can do split in real life too.
That's
Yep. Mary had a little limb. Mary had a little limb. His name was Chicken Nuggets. Banana.
Who's a birdie?
He's not even a furry. Why is his name Pooh? You just fell off. Bro, don't touch my screen. Oh no! I can't jump over the line because I just died.
Wait to sleep.
What? Why are you saying where to sleep? Why are you saying where to sleep? Where to sleep? It's where to slip. Oh, they got it. There's an elevator. Let me give it. Bro, I'm making a video. Okay, guys, like and subscribe if you want to because this video has been 29